If you ordered a nice cold bottle of beer from your favorite watering hole, there's a high likelihood that that bottle came off of a line that Canlines Engineering designed and installed. The part that we manufacture is primarily the conveyor systems that would tie an overall packaging line together. For our clients who are getting a product out the door, every minute that that line is down and not working is lost revenue. It's up to us to get it designed and prepped and ready to get it in on schedule with the least disruption as possible.
We've been in business for almost 60 years. We do not miss deadlines. We do not lose customers. Inventor has definitely sped up our process and made things more repeatable. Vault has saved us with revisions. Sometimes we had to get back to an older version, and it saved us in that manner. Our electrical team, they use AutoCAD Electrical to do their layout controls and also for panel design. That bomb generator is everything to us. It takes all the parts in an assembly, puts them in one list. It keeps us organized. When they call us with the problem, it's easier for us to locate the problem using the bomb. The most valuable tool that we use in Inventor would have to be the sheet metal characteristics, which is directly related to our laser cutter. It allows us to create models quicker and then generate the files needed for our laser cutter. I'm looking forward to the new Autodesk Collection. We're always looking at improving. We never want to stay stagnant. We want to keep moving.
We're constantly impressed with how it's been able to streamline our processes, so we expect that to continue.